What's up, you guys? Welcome back to an episode of Sweeterman. Beautiful day. Psych. It's very cloudy, cold. Getting closer to Halloween. By the time this video goes up, it's probably gonna be after Halloween. But anyways, it doesn't matter. I hope everyone is doing fantastic. As for me, I'm doing okay. I hope you're doing great. But anyways, I got updates on my car, which I'm gonna be taking it to a garage right now. It's kind of crazy, sad, but you know, shit happens. It is what it is. Without further ado, let me show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. First problem first, then second problem after inside the car. So y'all stay tuned and make sure you follow your man's on Instagram x_Sweeterman, and also make sure you guys like, subscribe, you feel me? But anyways, first problem right here. This, I don't know how you got fucked up, but if I let go of this tape, that's gonna stay open, so I can't do that. Next problem is inside the instrument cluster. I'm gonna be showing you guys exactly what the hell I'm talking about. So y'all give me a sec. Alright, I'm gonna let this focus real quick. There we go. So this is gonna be the second problem, okay? Y'all see the instrument cluster, everything works. Right now it's on accessory mode, so everything is fine. Y'all seen that? Hold on. I think I just turned it off. I'm gonna start the car and you're gonna see exactly what the hell I'm talking about just now. You seen that? Yeah, McLaren for you. So yeah. So I'm gonna go to the garage and then go see what's going on. Alright, yo, so obviously y'all can see I'm driving, but ain't nothing going in. Just to make sure y'all see I'm driving. I don't know how fast I'm going. Let's see. I guess I'm going 50. I really have no idea how fast I'm going. So that's that's how messed up this is. So hopefully it gets fixed. And yeah. Alright, updates. So it might be the instrument cluster. They might have to reprogram it, or the battery is probably dead. So regardless, it's gonna be an expensive repair. I don't think I'm gonna take it to McLaren. I'm gonna bring it over here at the Pickering Auto Lab. But yeah, so that's the update. I'm gonna keep you guys posted once everything is fixed. Hopefully it's not that expensive, but nonetheless, I'm gonna consider getting rid of this car already. Yeah, and let me know down in the comment what you guys would like to see. Yeah, make sure you guys like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram x_, yeah. Y'all up.